Hi guys, this is Annie from OnDesk. So many of you after completing ME have a very confused to do what next. So some of you joined to some jobs which is not related to your particular domain, and some will wait for higher studies. So on coming to higher studies, we'll check for PhD. So many of you got confused about what is PhD, how can I do that, how about the admissions, the guide slots, etc. What are the process for PhD? So many of you get confused in that. So this video is a particular solution for your PhD confusions and all. So let's enter into the video. First, I am sure that many of you know what is PhD. So let me give a simple explanation. So PhD is a Doctor of Philosophy. So this is came from the Greek word which is to teach. Completely this comes under research and teaching. So first let me start with why we need to do PhD. So this is a unique degree which you got. If you go to a gathering and you said I'm completed PhD and I'm a doctorate now, so they will look at you, okay, you have something special, you will look something different from the crowd, you're something unique, you're something different. So for this you have to do your PhD, you have to get your doctorate, and also this will increases the value of your CV. So while going for an interview or some other things, while seeing your CV, they will look like, okay, something is special in this CV because he completed doctorate, he or she completed the doctorate. So this is a special degree which makes you to feel special. So then some of you got confused, what is the procedure for PhD, how can I enter into a PhD, the admission process. So there are some universities, around 68 universities in India are providing PhD. In that, first we have to check for the notification of that particular universities in which you want to go for PhD. So there are some international universities, also in NITs, and also some other national universities. So you have to check in which university you want to do the PhD for. So you have to follow up that. And once you got you finalized in this college in this university I want to do my PhD, then you have to go for it. You have to check the notification of that college. You have to apply through online and offline. Maybe there is for different universities there are different procedures. So you have to apply. You have to check for that. So if it is through offline application, you have to apply for that, or else for online you have to apply for online, you have to submit the documents in online itself. So this is the first step for this. Well, the admission itself, you have to get your guide. So getting guide should be of well known about your academic career, so that he can guide you on that basis. So after the guide block, then we got a confusion, okay, what next? So the next is the admission process. We have to submit our topics to the universities. So and also there will be an entrance examination. During that interview or entrance, we have to submit the proposal to them, so that the proposal got approved. So we have to give an overview of what you have going to research, in what area you are going to research, in what particular domain you are going to research. So these are all the content we have to include in this proposal writing. And after the research proposal, may completely what you have done is combined to the thesis writing. So this is the overall what you researched for these past 3 years or past 4 years. This will be in the thesis writing. So now you will get confused, how can I do all this? You are saying such big things like from admission to thesis writing, there is a big process. So how can I do all these things? So no worries, we have technical experts for everything in each domain. Whatever the domain you need, whatever the area of research you have, we are helping you. We help you from admissions to research proposals, thesis writing, publications, for every A to Z we are helping you. So no worries about your PhD. We will help you. We OnDesk will help you. We have every experts. We have we have separate departments for admissions, technical experts, like implementation, like MATLAB, Simulink, whatever your particular domain is, we are helping you in that. So no worries. Check for the next video. We'll explain more in depth about that. So thank you guys for your